What's up, guys? So today we're going to put this JLT 3.0 version catch can, or oil separators as some people call it, on my car. So it's literally probably the easiest install you can ever do on your car. You literally, this hose right here, you pop those clips off there and there, and then these pop on. And so the catch can is important because it can catch blow-by oil from the engine, keep it, running better for longer, and the sludge builds up in here. I'll show you the little filter that's in here, and then you can just empty it out every so often. So here's the filter and stuff that it runs through. It's got a pretty large, I think, 4-ounce capacity right here, so it can hold quite a bit. So here we go. Just peel that back, pull that side off. Same thing over here. Pull that up and off. Then we are going to put the new one on like so. There's that much of it. So now we're going to screw this in. And there we go. So I don't know how well you all can see on camera, but you can literally actually see oil residue down in there on either side. So like I said, this should definitely keep my engine running stronger for longer, and especially when you do, add more horsepower and stuff, your engine really needs to be in tip-top shape. So this will keep it like that. And $139 for American Muscle. They got it here in 2 days, so shout out to them. Price isn't bad at all. They do make one for this side as well. You can see there's another separator line that goes through there, but 90+% of your engine oil sludge builds up on the passenger side one. So that one is probably all that this car will ever need. So just doing a quick check to make sure nothing leaks or anything. Let's go check it out. Looks good to me. Added the JLT performance sticker to the car. Now I got the Down South Racing and the American Muscle logo over here. And so everyone knows that stickers are important because they're at least 10 horsepower per sticker. So I mean, we're talking, I'm getting close to 500 wheel with these 4. So here's both rides, guys, proof that I didn't trade in the Mustang. I just want to say thanks for watching again, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you all are having a great day. Give this video a like down below, and also subscribe down below and check out our details about our giveaway, because if you've not subscribed, you really should, because we're doing a $300 giveaway, and all you literally have to do is press a button. So details are down below on that. But again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a great day. Peace out.